I found out how to program in the steering wheel controls, so I'll just run you through that. I wasn't short of a cable for that one, so what we need to do is go to the home menu, settings, I think it's car infotainment, here we go, and then SWC, steering wheel controls. Now I've already done it, but I'm going to clear them. So basically what you do is that's going to be to go back, and then you hold that turns blue. This one forward, then we have plus on the speaker, then we have minus on the speaker, then we have phone, which I'm going to believe is going to be this one, and then we have source, which is going to be mode. So that's these 4 buttons programmed in. If we come back, go home, I can now control volume, phone, and source. So that's it, that little problem dealt with. Little update on the use of this auxiliary port. Now I found there was a patch lead. Excuse me. So I found this grey patch lead. Obviously missed it last time, so that connects into the aux port for the vehicle. So you've got left aux, right aux in, and then a little white multi-plug, see if I can find it, which is this one here. So plug those in, and that actually works these ports now. So yep, take it back. It was an error on my part, I didn't see that, but that's a bonus anyway. So all we've got to sort out now is the backup camera.